lime juice. Ingredients: 2 green guavas, 1/2 cup 120 ml water plus more to taste, 1 lime, 1 pinch lime zest, 2 tablespoons 30 ml honey, 1 pinch salt, sugar to taste. Making guava lime juice. Wash and chop guavas. Wash 2 green guavas. Use a sharp knife to carefully chop the guavas into small cubes. Put the cube guavas into a blender or food processor. Blend the guavas with lime, honey, and salt. Zest a little bit of fresh lime zest into the strained guava juice. Squeeze the lime and add all of the juice to the juice along with 2 tablespoons 30 ml of honey and 1 pinch of salt. Blend the guavas with water. Pour 1/2 cup 120 ml of water into the blender with the guavas. Strain and this guava pure. Set a fine mesh strainer over a bowl and scoop the guava mixture into it. Stir the mixture so it passes through the strainer. Discard the seeds left in the strainer. Add ice cubes into a glass. Then pour guava juice. And last, test and serve the guava lime juice.